Hey, good morning, everybody. Hope you had a good 3-day weekend. Hopefully, got all your work in, so you were able to just sit back and relax over this time. If you celebrate Easter, hope you guys had a wonderful Easter. If not, hope you just had a great weekend. This week is week 3. Okay, this is the last week of the 6 weeks, from what I understand. So at the end of this week, we will be putting a grade for each and every one of you as either a pass or a fail. So you should be getting your report cards sometime in the following week. So we won't put these grades in until the end of this week, but I want you to be aware that this is where we really will be submitting, hey, the student's done all their work, the student's done most of their work, or the student has not been responsive, they haven't responded to emails, reminds, text messages, things like that. So just be aware of that. If you're confused or have any questions about the grading rubric and guidelines, I've uploaded them from the district, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of those questions as well. So again, just doing my weekly video where I go over the lesson plans with you. I know some of you have had some questions, and my hope is that this will help clarify my expectations and the expectation of you or your students, whoever's watching this video. So this is Friday afternoon, so I am recording this a little bit earlier than usual. So if something changes or comes up, I'll make sure I add another video, but this one is being done early so I can enjoy my weekend as well. Okay, so Monday, I've created a video. I'm going to be honest, it's not my best work. It is a weird video done with the textbook. So just show some grace, just watch it, and let's see what we can do. It's over exponential functions, which is going to be f of x, the function of x, or y, is equal to a times b to the x power. Okay, so a is going to stand for your common term. That's what you're starting out with. Your b is going to be your multiplier, and your exponent, the x, that is the x power, is going to be how much time is taking place. Okay, so watch the video. Hopefully that'll make a little bit more sense, and we can kind of go from there. So you're gonna watch the video, and then your assignment for Monday is there's a Google Classroom assignment, and all I want you to do is just type in 2 things you learned from the video. It can be something really broad and knowledgeable, or it can just be, hey, I learned this formula. You know, it's up to you. But 2 things that you take away from the video. That's all I'm asking for Monday. Watch the video, and then 2 things you learned. On Tuesday, we're gonna do something a little bit different. There are a couple TEKs, and I've listed them in your lesson plans, and they show all the vocabulary words that we need to know. Now, some of them are vocab terms that you've heard before. Others are vocab words that you've never heard. What I'm going to have you do is I've created a Google form, and I want you to research, not just tell me growth means you're getting bigger. I want you to actually research these words based off exponential functions and type in a definition for what I think it's 6 words, for those 6 or 7 words, whatever it is. So in there's not going to be for a grade on this one. It's just going to be you actually researching those words and learning what they actually mean. Does that make sense? If not, send me a message, send me something, let me know so I can try to re-explain it. So that's what you're going to do for Tuesday. Wednesday, we've got a quizzes. I know that last week I had a few people reach out with some issues with quizzes. That's all right. Hey, I'd rather know about the issues, and we'll figure it out, and we'll make new ones. We'll host a live game, whatever we need to make sure that everybody's able to do it. But inside the lesson plans, I've attached a video. And that video is just a Khan Academy video with him explaining a little bit more about exponential functions. And then I want to say it's 16 questions on the quizzes, so not too bad, but 16 questions. And then you guys can go ahead and knock that one out. Pretty easy. Thursday, rolling out the week, is our 5-question review. This week is going to be 12 through 16. I know last week I had you skip number 9, I believe. This week you're just going to do 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. On number 3, so I want to say it's number 14, just put the answer. Don't type in x equals, just literally type in what the number is, okay? So if the answer is 6, just write 6 as your answer. No, that's not the answer, so don't just put 6. And that's our week. And then again, Fridays, we aren't having work. We're not assigning anything because we want to use that day as a catch-up day, a mental health day, whatever you need it to be to make sure that you are getting the work done for your other classes. I don't know what their workload is. I'm assuming that ours is pretty tame, but if we've got complaints or concerns, let me know. Let's talk about it. And then Saturday and Sunday is your weekend. So a couple high points again. This is the last week for the 5th 6 weeks before we have to put in grades for pass or fail. You are not doing an assignment on Friday. I think that's really it. Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Reach out if you need me. I'm here for you. We can talk about basketball. We can talk about books, whatever you want. Send me questions in regards to this. Have a wonderful, safe week, and be nice to one another, and tell people that you love them. Peace.